Hey everyone, welcome back to Quick Helper. Today, let me show you how to enable developer options on your Android phone, as well as how to turn it off. To enable developer options, start by swiping up from the bottom of your phone screen to open the settings for your Android phone. Once in the settings, and select About Phone. Next, you have to scroll down again until you see Build Number. Tap on your build number 8 times. Remember, 8 times. And you may need to re-enter your PIN to unlock your phone. Once completed, you'll see a message indicating that you are now a developer. To access developer options, go back to the settings and select System, which is directly above About Phone. Scroll down to the bottom of the System menu, and you'll find Developer Options. These are all your developer options, and if you want to turn off developer options, select Developer Options and toggle it off. Your phone will restart, and when you turn it back on, developer options will be turned off. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.